Today on Design University, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a lightsaber inside of Adobe After Effects. This is going to be really fast and it's going to look really cool. So let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1, let's edit. So before we get started, make sure to leave in the comments what you guys think of the new show, Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm really liking it so far and I can't wait to watch the last episode. So let's get into it. To start off, first go to New Project, then click New Composition. Let's make this 60 frames per second, 10 seconds, 1920 by 1080 ratio, and then just click OK. After that, just drop in your footage. I just have this clip of me with a lightsaber. Alright, so first of all, you're just going to want to go into your effects and presets, then search Saber. This is a free plugin that you can get from Video Copilot. New solid black layer. Then drag in your Saber plugin onto your new black layer. Change it to whatever color you want. So for this example, I'm going to want to go for a green. Then set the core size to about 18. And then go to render settings, composite settings, and then go to transparent. We're then going to want to turn off the motion blur, just so it could be easier for us to make this. Next, go to the very beginning of your composition and then click the core start and core end keyframe. And then from here, you're just going to want to keyframe your lightsaber every single frame. I'm going to speed this up a little bit so you guys can see how I did it. I already started doing it on another layer, but unfortunately it didn't record, so I'm just showing you guys this again. So just match it up every single frame the whole time. This process is really time consuming, but it always comes out worth it at the end. Let me speed this up so I can show you guys. Remember to match up your gain to your lightsaber blade and tip. Okay, so since my screen recording isn't working, you can see that I have my project here. I went ahead and I keyframed the whole thing. So I just dragged it into Final Cut Pro X and exported it from there. So I also decided to use some sound effects. You can find the one that I use in the description below. Anyways, let's check it out. So what did you guys think? Make sure to leave in the comments below. So that just about wraps it up for today's tutorial. Thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed today's tutorial and it helped you out, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with others. And I'll see you guys on the next video.